Hi everyone. Right, this is only a quick video. Now, I did say I was going to come and show you how to create various flowers to make, you know, like something like this. So that was the one I was doing before. Sorry, the leaves aren't pulled out and that. You need to just sort the leaves out. Now, like I said, there are lots of different flowers you can make, and then when you've got a batch together, you can then produce something like that. So, what I'm going to be doing now is just to show you the various flowers that can be made really easy. I will show you each and every one of them. You know, we're going to do a series of videos. So you're going to learn how to make all of these and lots more. And then we're going to produce something like that. A bit better than that, obviously. That was just a quick thing. So what I'm going to do now is just to go through. I'm going to show you the leaves first. Now, there are lots of different leaves you can make. So you can make this leaf. This is done out of wired ribbon, but it can be done out of any ribbon. And the size of the leaf will depend upon the width of the ribbon. And they're very, very easy to make. Very easy. So I'm going to be showing that. There's another different one. Hope you can see that. Let's get a look. Where's the others? Oh, there's a different one. I just ignore the threads and that because that will be coloured in with the felt. So you can make that one. Then you can do these tiny leaves. They're just little gathers where the little fillers you can put in. Those. I think. Oh, these. There's this type of leaf, which is, you know, you can. They're really different. You just need to be different. So I've done a couple of those. Now you can put that onto a shoe and then you can build out from it or whatever you want to do. But I will show you how to do them. They're not hard at all. This leaf is kind of like a double one. See? So they're not hard to do either. So I'm going to share with you. So you will have quite a few different things in your repertoire, so to speak. That one, which is the twisted one. But I've done this in pink because it's going to be done on a project. So, and then you've got these. These are gorgeous. Now these can be done in any colour. I've chosen pink because I'm going to be doing a pink project. So I've had to make several of these. But they're very quick and very easy to make. So that's those. And I think there's this one, a flower. This is the flower. So I will show you how to make. I've done it in big scale for you to see, but you can do these in a smaller scale. This was a wired ribbon. I've taken the wire out of both sides. And this is just a ribbon that you twist round and round and stitch in. But they look really nice if they're done in red. I've got a plant at the side of me that's actually got them in red. But you can do them on a smaller scale. But I will be doing them everything on a bigger scale to show you, hopefully, if my hands hold out. And all those that's asked about my hands, I've got to go back to the doctors in 2 weeks' time. They've taken some blood tests and that. But I do think the problem in this wrist is carpal tunnel. The symptoms for that. But I don't know what they say about my hands. I'll have to wait and see. But like I say, so we're going to learn how to do that one. Now, we've got all these. These are really simple to make, but look effective. And they're great flowers, the fillers. Like, so if I wanted to put one in there, you know, put another one here. Just keep filling them out. And, see, you can just keep filling out. Keep adding your leaves. Keep filling everything out. I can put that there. You know, it's completely up to you what you do. but they're really good flower fillers. That's what I call them. So that's those. Then we've got these little ones that with a bud at the back. So it's got a bud at the back, and then it's got that one with the leaf. These little ones, really simple but very effective. Then we've got this one. I have added the little pink leaves with this gathered flower and the bead in the middle. And then what I did, I transferred it from that and then made them into these. So I added a couple of leaves. Now your leaves can be any shape you want. Whatever you want to do with them is up to you. And then we've added the little pink leaves there because that's going to go on a pink project. Now this is only made with cord and a ribbon wrapped over it. This ribbon used to wrap over it. And then these are added in as well as you stitch along, which I will share all of that with you. And we'll do... what I'm going to do is I'm going to do some little kits. I'll hopefully get a kit where I will put all the stuff you need, and then we'll go through the bag, through the kit, and do each and every one of these. But you'll have enough in to do 2 or 3 of each flower. So that when it comes to me teaching it, you'll have the stuff in front of you, and I will tell you which one you need to use. Now, this is the same flower, but using 2 different ribbons. This is the silk ribbon, and that's the gross grain. I actually like both. But with this one, I could put a centre in. Well, that's too small, that one. I could add the rose, the handmade rose. So you can get that. Even add the rose into that one. Like that. Or if I wanted to, this is another one. Now this is, it's got the bell middle, so you can put a little, stamen in. Oh, couldn't think what they're called. You could add the stamen in there, and that's got a bell centre, and then you've got the gathered flower. And you can imagine that on there. So that's those 2. Like I say, with the, this is all gathered with the bell centre. You could even put one of those in, but that's too big, that one. And then we've got this one that's just... Oh, bag fell then. It just crisscrosses, but that can be as a centrepiece. See, like that. So we've got that one. These are little flower fillers as well. This you can put beads in or stamen, or look and do that with them. Again, same. It's the same flower. That's the same flower, but then I've coloured it and put a little diamante in as well, so they can go from that to that. See? So that's those. Great flower fillers they are. And then we can turn them into a bud as well. We just change them into a bud. And buds don't have to be perfect. Then we've got the tiny one. Again, another filler. Then we've got this one, which we could put a middle in as well. And you can just keep adding to them. The little roses, the rolled roses. Roses with a leaf. These are the little centres. Now this one is done with fabric. It's wadding inside, and that one's done with the bead. And so is that. The little wooden beads inside. But then they can fit inside something else. I think we can put it on this one and you'll be able to see. So again, see, like that. This one's the bell, but we need to put the stamen in as well. So that's that one. Little buds can be done just little bits of ribbon wrapped, all different sizes. Some gathered, some not. They're little leaves. They have to be coloured yet, so don't forget. But I'm going to show you, these are all great for adding to your projects. Like I said, the bell flower, that's before you add the frill. See that? And the stamen. The bigger rose. Then we've got this one, which is the one with the stamen and the leaf. Nice fillers of those. Then we've got this one. Again, it's just like half a petal. It's like this one. That one petal on its own makes that. But then if you get the 3. So that's that one. Again, little blue fillers. That's one flower. We can have it like that with beads. Or you can fold it in half and have it like that. And then put beads on here and a stamen or something coming out with the stems. Which is what I've done to these. So it's gone from that to that. Made the little stems, little ribbon on the back. There has to have the beads in the middle. And then the little leaves as well. And they're great little, let me just show you. See, if I wanted to, I could do that. And then I've got some buds that I've got here. See, like this. So we can put that one under there. I'm just trying to show you what I mean. That one. Have that there. You see, and then you just build out. You can have another one there, actually. And then we've got this one, which if I wanted to, could go there. Then we've got these little fillers. As you can see, they look gorgeous. Right, I'm gonna put that one there, actually. Like that. And put this one here. I've got some of these with a twist. You know, it's whatever you want to do with them. You can just continue coming out with them. And you finally, eventually, build yourself your whatever it is you want to do. We can add more of these leaves. So, like I say, all of these, I'll just show you this one. They're just, I mean, that will get coloured, so don't take any notice of the stitching. I use whatever I've got at hand without wasting, if it's already on the needle, and then I just colour it when I need to. So, where's the other one? We've got that one. And they are really, really pretty. And yes, it bloody hurt to do them, but never mind. I'm not going to give in. These have got little stamen in, and then we just put them on, like that. I can stitch that up there, if I want it to stay up that way. Again, more of these. Little buds, they've got stamen in that one. And then you can add beaded trims as well. You know, into your, let's just have a look. Now, if I wanted to, I could also add that into mine. So really, really easy projects. And I'm going to show you how to make them. Some more buds. That way. That way. That way. And that way. But like I say, you ignore the stitching because you go over that with your pen. They're so quick and easy to do. Then this flower. Now I've done this again large. I'm going to do as much as I can in large scale. I mean, I could put that in there if I wanted to. I could do, you know, just that one. Again, that's got one of those little centres that I've made with the bead. See? You can do all sorts. That's a rolled ribbon rose. And then you can do trims like this. That you can weave in and out of your project. And then the final one is this one, which is ready to make into the rose. So that is to make into the rose. And the way to do those, you cut circles, fold them in half, stitch the open end, stitch them all on together, and then all you do is you will roll. Glue it or stitch it, doesn't matter. We're going to be using both. I'm doing it really quickly. Like that. The tighter you do it, the better, the tighter the rows. But you can either have it like that or you can have it like that with the same thing. All I'd do is to wind that one up much tighter, like that. Oh God, that does hurt. I'm just going to show you. The thing is with these, you can absolutely do as much or as little with the ribbon. It just depends what you're looking for, what you want. Don't forget, I'm not stitching this, I'm just wrapping it all around together. But if I was to stitch it, that would be a little bit tighter. See the rows. So there you go, and like I say, I will be coming back and doing bit by bit and sharing with you how I've made them, and we'll do it together, but I need to put the kits together first. And I'm just waiting for some more ribbons to come in so that I know I've got all the ribbons I need to put in the kit. It'll be one kit full of this, enough to do all of these flowers, you know, one of each of these flowers. And that one you can do a smaller one to sit in the middle of that and then a centre in that. You can have them flat on your project or you can make them into a cup. I hope that's helpful. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye bye for now.